morning, sunshine. It's a brand new day.
Then why aren't you gone? Are you out of your mind?
And right by your side until you bring that baby home.
I'm not into kinky. Hey. Open these up now.
Whoops, there's no key.
Game over. I have work to do.
Oh, no. You have a baby to bring home. And until you do, I'm your shadow. And as far as the bathroom goes, I really hope you can hold it.
Winifred, call a locksmith now. Problem solved, sweetheart.
Oh, you keep working on that smug little smirk of yours. You're gonna need it for the judge. My lawyer just filed a motion. The court is gonna force you to bring Bess home.
Oh, yes, the good old court system. How long is that gonna take? What, days, weeks, months?
You wouldn't dare keep her gone that long.
But, babe, it's for the good of our own daughter. All that anger, all that tension, you've created an unhealthy environment. So until things calm down, it's within our daughter's best interest to stay away.
The judge is gonna tell you to bring her home.
And if that happens, I'll comply. But until then, there's nothing you can do about it.
You can go and have that locksmith come out here and take these off.
Yeah, with the chainsaw, if possible.
But I'm gonna be right by your side. I'm gonna stick to you like a bad tattoo, making your life one miserable moment after the other until you bring that baby back.
Yeah, well, I'm willing to suffer for my daughter's sake.
Look at you, acting all cool. But I'm getting to you. You want me gone? It's not a problem, but not without Bess.
Why? So you can raise her the way Crystal raised you? Truck stops and cotton candy dinners?
You think I'll let her grow up like you, spoiled, spiteful, and no heart at all?
Well, at least my daughter will have everything.
Your daughter. You think that she's all yours? Guess what? She's not.
My flesh, my blood, my baby.
You're just as sick as your daddy.
Yeah, the man's a genius. He said I should have shuffled you off the psych ward a long time ago. But you know, you really are unstable. You better watch it. They may pump you full of meds and tie you down to a bed.
One more word, and you'll be counting ceiling tiles in a hospital.
Way to follow through, babe. Nice work with the cuffs.
Thanks.
Oh, she used them on you, too?
Hey, Potty Mouth. Got a message from Winnie? The locksmith had an emergency. You're gonna be cuffed for a couple hours.
Called losing the telephone book, Winifred.
Hang up, Drama King. Might as well break away from the boogeyman now, babe. JR's covered.
Thank God. Is there any reason why you guys are still here? No, you know what? Don't answer that. Just leave.
We got posters up with Bess's photo all over town. Train stations, airports, whatever. My dad's got all kinds of connections. He's checking them all out.
My dad, too.
They'll cover all the bases.
Yeah, legal or otherwise.
And Bess will be with you soon. I know it.
Yeah, yesterday would have been fine with me.
In the meantime, don't eat anything that comes out of this kitchen.
You think they'd really poison us? What am I saying?
I'm sure JR and Adam have a special stash for occasions. But I've ordered lunch, so I'll be here soon.
So kind, so considerate, so pathetically overeager. You thought of everything, haven't you, Lancelot?
Well, if you like that one, you're gonna love this. I'm moving in.
Babe, as usual?
Somebody hand me a stapler. JR needs help keeping his mouth shut.
Ignore him, Mama. He is so not worth it.
Yes, Mama. Listen to Baby Doll. I'm so not worth it. Here's a little tip, by the way, Jamie. You don't really need to do this whole hero routine. Babes, easy.
I'm gonna follow that slime wherever he goes.